Alright, the time has finally come. My clutch showed up. I've been waiting months for this. Fresh off the boat from China. But it's finally here. The transmission, just reverse neutral. Problem is, the keyway, see that, is machined into the clutch. And you can't slide it onto the shaft because that keyway goes right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind this out into a keyway. And since this is a 40 series and this is made for a 30 series, it's just as wide as the shaft is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill and tap that, and that'll hold the clutch on. Grind that out. I don't have a mill or a lathe, so we're gonna try our best and hopefully this all works out. Everyone keeps asking the same question. What engine are you running? How fast will it be? What are you putting in for a mill? I would do it like this. So here it is, bought locally, straight from China, a Pro Point 420cc 4-stroke. Tranny's rated for 15 horsepower. We got 15 horsepower. Tranny mount, got an adjuster back there, so I'm going to adjust the belt on it. Guys, I started to notice that my videos are very repetitive, lots of coping, tacking, fitting, which it has been a lot of that. There's still a lot more to go. So I kind of jumped ahead and just got a few more things tacked up, and we're gonna move on to some more technical stuff. So stay tuned and we'll keep trucking away on this thing. I got fuel tank mount, I got battery box, I got base of the seat in, we got the engine tranny, clutches all mounted, we got steering rack mounted in there, tie rod ends kind of moved around on the knuckles, got more done on them. Before even starting this project, I went on Marketplace, picked up a few parts. It's a big mistake because when you get to drinking and fabbing and drinking, this is what you come up with. And these are what you bought off Marketplace before even starting. They're an 18-inch and they're just not going to work. So I went down, see my buddy at the laser shop, has a CNC laser table, cut me out this hub, We got Razor bolt pattern. We got, I think, Maverick X3. We got Can-Am, Yamaha, Kawasaki. So I can run just about any rim and tire I want on this thing.